Many people often, when they want to promote their business, they focus on social media first. The challenge with social media is that it's global and your business is local. So if you do traditional social media by blasting out Twitter and Facebook and Instagram stuff, and if you make YouTube videos, most of those people can't become your clients, right? Because you don't have that national brand yet. You just have local, you're in a few local areas. So those strategies don't work. What does work with social media is long-term customer relationship building. Okay, so people who have already become your customers, you need to get them on social media, because anytime you have promotions, anytime you have events, anytime you're doing extra, or if you just want to remind them about you, like they hired you once maybe, and you want to remind everybody about you, then guess what you do? Post on social media. You don't have to post like, buy my stuff now, but you can post, here are some tips for dogs, and here's some tips for like grooming, and here's some blah blah blah, time saving, whatever, money saving. And you don't even have to create that content. You can just find good content on the web and post it maybe in your Facebook group and on your Twitter. So, but those things, they would be less for, see, the distinction is that those things, the Twitter, the Facebooks, they're less for finding new people to discover you, and they become more for audience building from the people who have already discovered you and who haven't yet. Maybe they engaged with you, maybe they bought once, but maybe they forgot, or so to get people to re-engage with you. Okay, so it's that long-term audience building. That's what the emphasis of your social media should be. Now, it's not the only thing. We're going to talk about ads on social media in the next section, in the next video. But here, that's just what I wanted to mention, is that you should look at social media less like blasting out messages and more as cultivating an audience and making yourself the top professional in your industry, in your city, for dog walking. Okay, that's the thing you have to win first. You have to be the main person to talk about pets in your city, in your local area. And when you're doing that, then your social following will grow with relevant, good people who are local, who can then hire you.